Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, but my morning.
Okay, so basically, we just wanted to know like exactly can you do for us, the service you offer,
Okay,
like and like what is the step that you're gonna do and stuff like this.
okay. So the thing is, I provide the Google Ads, the Facebook Ads, also the pixel setup for Facebook, conversion tracking for Google Ads. These four service mainly I provide. Also, sometimes I provide the website landing page. Sometimes it happen client are not getting good results, so I will make sometime landing page website. So these five service I provide, but you need the Facebook ads. So for
Yep.
Facebook ads also you need the pixel setup, because without pixel setup we cannot track the data. So from my side I will provide you Facebook camping setup, also the web analytics, I mean pixel setup, enhanced pixel setup, API tracking, all thing for retargeting customers. These two service I will provide.
Okay.
And for Facebook
Okay.
ads, I need from your side the all type of access what I already got, and also I need the content. I mean images, the headlines, ads copy, asset. I will write from my side.
Okay. Okay. So basically, you can make like more conversion of people that register for the formula on the website, like the word is the name, the email, the phone number.
Yeah, when people when fill up the lead, it should be go in your email.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So like, but I look, probably my partner told you about this yesterday. We already make an campaign and Facebook ad, but the problem that we don't have a customer. The only person they talk with us, it's for work. They're
Job.
looking for work. Yeah, they're looking for a job. Yeah. So, but we already try a lot of campaign, but we never had this problem for a service cleaning and ventilation. But when we make a campaign for just the cleaning a house or commercial or post construction, we had this problem. I don't know if you already deal with this problem before before us.
Yes. This problem is not only for
So
your company. I also have one gutter cleaning company. He is from London. Sometimes it happen. He also get. Can I share my screen shortly? Locations. Some
Okay.
true,
location
true.
because in some location here is lots of commercial building. So
Mm-hmm.
official. So that location makes you need the commercial service. So you can tell as a cleaning company owner, so which type service you are selling more. So based on those service, I will set up the camping. You understand? But after running the camping, I can tell you which camping is good.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. I
okay,
understand.
yeah, okay, good. But at this moment, we cannot give you an answer. We have to check.
Okay,
Yeah, we
okay,
have to try.
perfect. You
Yeah.
take
No,
your
we have
time,
to
no
check. Yeah,
rush. Well, the camping
yeah,
setup is no big deal, but the planning, the strategy, this is the point. So you
yeah.
can
Of
Yeah.
take
course,
time.
yeah.
Yes.
We have to plan. Yeah, we have to have a plan to make sure that we would choose the best services.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Okay. That's perfect.
Mm,
So, Ahmed, what do you think? Like,
Yeah, and yeah, like we told you, we will see what is the best services we can focus on.
okay.
But
well,
after
I'm pretty
why
sure.
I
Yeah,
will have.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna this information.
Yes, for pixel setup, I don't
Okay.
need this information because this is a
Okay. Okay.
technical job.
Okay.
Okay, just before I forget, you need so that live from us, you need a photo or a video and the services when we will focus on. You need something else or
No, no, those point I need for camping setup, but for pixel setup, what I need, I already got.
Yeah, I
okay,
gave him
okay,
access
good.
for the website and
Okay,
everything. Yeah.
okay, good. Okay, it's good, but like, yeah, but yeah, it's good. Yeah. I think I'm sure that it will work with you. But yeah, we have to take time to choose the right services
Okay,
and to provide you the nicest
The
photo that we
pictures.
have it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
and after we can automatically start it.
Okay.
Yeah, but we need to pay. We have to pay you directly, or when we have the photo and everything.
So if I tell you, I can now you can pay me for only tracking. I mean pixel setup. So I can start pixel setup, and it should be done within 2 days. And in these 2 days, you can choose your good service and also the images.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it's
Okay.
good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
if you can send me an the offer on Fiverr,
Yes.
and I will do this
Okay, one second.
just after the call.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for
Okay.
everything. You can
You
send
are
me the
most welcome.
offer
So
and
I will send
everything.
$50 offer for pixel
Yeah.
setup, and when it complete, then for next order 150. That's fully Facebook ad setup. Also, you send me image. The image I will design. This is
Okay,
also
that's
included.
perfect.
No worry about it. And
Okay.
I
Okay.
will provide 7 days management.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
Perfect.
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 Okay,
Okay,
perfect,
that's
brother. Thank you
good.
for everything.
Yeah, thank you,
So
sir. Thank you
also
so
I
much.
am decrease my budget $30.
Yeah,
Also I
good.
am design the image. This is only you are new business owner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the point.
And we are all Muslim, you know.
Yes,
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
I got Muslim. Yeah. Ramadan Kareem too, Saad.
Yes,
Yes,
Ramadan
it's
Kareem.
my
Yeah.
Ramadan, but not your.
It's hard. It's hard. It's hard Ramadan in Pakistan. Or? What time? What time is the iftar?
No, now this is 12 p.m.
12.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. After 6 hour,
Oh, but what?
I will
But what?
iftar.
So at 7. So at 7 or at 6 or 8? Yeah. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same time than here. Huh?
Uh, uh, Now in your night and it's my morning. 12 hours ago. We are.
Okay, yeah, it's the okay, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
The